Cat facts you didn't know, part 46. Have you ever wondered why cats have to sleep on you? Not their bed, not the floor, but you? Well, here's why. First, you're toasty, and cats are naturally drawn to warmth. Second, cats are territorial animals, so your scent and presence can provide a sense of protection and familiarity. Next, a cat sleeping on you is a way for the kitty to strengthen its bond with its owner. Although some people absolutely will disagree, cats are affectionate animals, but the best reason is that cats may see you, their human, as part of their territory. Sleeping on you can be a way of marking you as theirs. So let me know in the comments if your kitty sleeps on you.